The TJF-Q180V Reprocessing Manual and supplemental instructions contain the cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization methods recommended by Olympus for the TJF-Q180V duodenoscope. These instructions contain information essential to reprocessing the endoscope and accessories safely and effectively. Before reprocessing, thoroughly review the TJF-Q180V Reprocessing Manual and the manuals of the reprocessing equipment and chemicals that will be used for reprocessing. This video is provided to demonstrate steps necessary for reprocessing a TJF-Q180V duodenoscope. Immediately following the patient procedure, with the endoscope still connected to the equipment used in the patient procedure, turn the video system center and light source off. Prepare a clean 500 milliliter container of water. Dip a clean, lint-free cloth or sponge in the clean water and wipe the entire insertion section of the endoscope. Wipe from the boot at the control section toward the distal end. Turn the suction pump on and close the biopsy valve cap. Lower the forceps elevator and immerse the distal end of the insertion section into the clean water. Depress the suction valve to suction water for 30 seconds. During this time, raise and lower the forceps elevator 3 times by turning the elevator control lever. Remove the distal end from the water and suction air for 10 seconds. Turn the suction pump off. Turn the light source on and switch off the airflow regulator. Detach the air-water valve from the endoscope and place it in the detergent solution. Attach the air-water channel cleaning adapter to the air-water cylinder of the endoscope. Immerse the distal end of the insertion section in the clean water. Then switch on the airflow regulator to maximum output. Depress the button of the air-water channel cleaning adapter to flush the air-water channel with water from the water container for 30 seconds. Then release the button to flush air for 10 seconds. Turn the light source off. Detach the videoscope cable, suction tube, and water container from the scope. Confirm that the exterior surface of the electrical connector is free from scratches and attach the cap.